Here's a deep turquoise galaxy pour resin tutorial in our Crystal Edge round mold. I mixed up 11 ounces of Art Pro resin and I'm using turquoise deep acrylic ink by Liquitex. I have 6 drops in 2.29 ounces of resin. And then I mixed up some Quinacridone Magenta, 4 drops in 1.94 ounces of resin. That's also an acrylic ink. I have some dark ocean green mica. I used 3 little scoops in 1.59 ounces of resin. And then I'm using Let's Resin Ocean White Pigment Paste, 4 drops in 2.12 ounces of resin. And then for my push, I have Prism Purple, 3 drops in 2.55 ounces of resin, and that's also by Liquitex acrylic ink. And there I just have some crushed glass and iridescent glass beads. I waited till it was about 31.5 degrees to pour, which is a little sooner than I normally do. And I start off by putting the turquoise all to the bottom of the mold. I have to say this is my all-time favorite mold of ours because I just get such consistently beautiful results. Doesn't matter what colors I put in here, they all turn out and they've all sold out really fast. And here I'm taking the Quinacridone Magenta and just making little spirals. I didn't speed up this part of the video because I was quite proud of myself for how evenly I was pouring. Not getting very messy. I circle clockwise and then I go counterclockwise because sometimes I tend to get heavy-handed on one side or the other. And this seems to even it out if I change the direction of the circles. After you finish doing the concentric circles, you just take whatever's a little bit left in the cup and put it right directly in the center. You then repeat this process with the mica powder. I think I might be doing better with this because I had paper cups there rather than plastic. I thought of putting this in piping bags, but I figured I'd end up losing so much resin putting it in the piping bag, so I figured I would try my hand circling again. And I am doing very well coloring within the lines there. Let's see if I reverse it here. I should. Up, there I go. I'm paying attention at least. And there's no reason to do that other than, like I said, I just tend to pour heavier on one side than the other if I don't switch up the direction of the circle. And then I just put the rest in the center. You then repeat it with the white. Such beautiful little circles there. I really wanted to try this again. I have to redo all of my purples and pinks because, like I said, everyone's bought every piece I've made out of this mold. So this is the newest one. I'll redo the other ones, but I probably won't post videos since it'll be basically the same thing. This one will be available for sale later this week. And once you're done swirling the white, you just push the rest to the center. I put a little bit extra there because I didn't want to go around the circle again. And then you take the push, which has the purple in it, and just fast push it, pour it all right into the center. I then carefully added my crushed glass and iridescent glass beads. I had a little bit of glitter in there called Hera, H-E-R-A. It's very pretty. It's purples and pinks and blues. Match the color of this pour exactly. And then there'll be a little bit of a speed ramping, just showing the pattern closing up. Then it's the next day and time to demold. I always love how beautiful those look on the back. And just like I suspected, another perfect pour in our Crystal Edge round mold. Let us know what you think of these colors in the comments below.